How to promote affiliate links to Pinterest. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. I bring you back with yet another video, and in this video we're going to be talking about Amazon, other affiliate links, and any type of affiliation links and how you can promote it on your Pinterest in the easiest and most simplest way possible. So without further ado, let's get straight into this video. All right. So to start things off, what we are going to want to do is we're going to come to our Pinterest over here, right? Now, Pinterest.com is obviously it's a very interesting place where people create pins. They create pins for ads. They create pins for generations and all. So let me show you what Pinterest generally looks like. So I'm going to come over to Pinterest. Okay, so this is your basic Pinterest over here. As you can see, I have all these pins down here, and I can actually see the impressions and clicks and analytics on this. So, these are pins that I created. So I got 276 impressions with 3 pin clicks and even 1 save. Pretty nice, right? Then moving on, I have all these impressions as well. So I can get the analytics for these as well. It's pretty nice. So it gives you a good revenue generation link. But obviously, we don't want to make money on Pinterest. We're just using Pinterest to promote our products. So to promote the affiliate links, what we're going to do is we're going to come here on Pinterest where it says create in the top left, and you're going to click on create pin for ad. Okay. And obviously, you're not going to get this option until or unless you create a business or professional account on Pinterest. Pinterest requires a business or professional account for the creation of ad pins. Without that, I don't think you will be able to create pins or ads for yourself. Now, once we do this for ourselves and come over here, what we're going to do is we're going to open 3 things in new tabs. So obviously open up some type of website you're doing affiliation for. So let's say I'm going to use Amazon in this case. Then here you're going to open up canva.com, and here you're going to open up chat GPT. So the reason I'm making you open this is, hear me out. This is your affiliation website where you're going to take the affiliate link, data about the product, and the picture of the product. Okay, this is where you're going to take those things. Here is where you're going to make your media for the pin, okay, through the picture that we took over here. And ChatGPT is where we are going to create our title and description for the product that we're affiliating for, okay? So basically, once we've understood the concept of that, let's get straight into it. So to start off, let's go to Amazon.com. Now, once you are in your Amazon description link over here, okay, what you are going to want to do is here you're going to go into search Amazon up here. And once you come into search Amazon, obviously you're going to search some type of product that you want to start affiliation for. So let's go ahead and make a product for a PC. Okay, let's say I want to make some on PCs because obviously it's the holidays right now and there's a lot of great deals on the gaming PCs, right? And obviously in the holidays, people buy gaming PCs for their loved ones. So let's say we have this one, Asus ROG G16CH gaming desktop PC. Okay, so I'm gonna open that up. It has great specs. It has the RTX 4080, 1 terabyte of SSD, 32 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM, Windows 11, and like the best specs in my opinion. And you can obviously go levels down from it. You can change your graphics card. You can change the actual core. So you can go levels down. Doesn't matter. So over here, you get your image, all right? And with your image, you also get your descriptions, right? So to start things off, once we got in our image, we're going to go ahead, click on Save Image As, and you're going to save this image over here. And you're going to come to a new tab and search up remove.bg. So this is basically a background remover application where you can remove the backgrounds in the easiest way. So I'm going to go ahead and drop this here. And once we drop this here, it's going to bring us to download. So I'm going to click on download. And you're going to come to Canva. You're going to click on create a design. And you're going to search Pinterest ad or Pinterest pin, whatever it gives you. So we're going to go with a 1080 1920. And once you go with these dimensions from here, what's going to happen is it's going to open up a widget for you just like this. Now, once this happens from here, what we're going to want to do is we're going to bring the, removed background photo that we have into our design. First of all, give your design a good color, right? So let's go with the Yeah, let's go with a bit of a black color with a little shine in the back. So to give it a little shine, I'm gonna write glow over here in elements because obviously I don't want it to be totally darked out. So you can obviously add glow and put in a little shine. But in the case that this isn't working and it has obviously only the pro versions, what you can do is just choose whatever design like this one over here. Okay. Now obviously this looks weird, doesn't it? Don't worry, it won't. So I'm gonna take it back. Now once you take it back, you're gonna decrease the transparency and look at that. So now it looks much better. So I'm gonna keep this here. Now, once we keep this here down here, you can add its descriptions, tell people what this product really is about. So let's say I'm just going to quickly go ahead and add game in luxury, something like that, a catchy catchphrase. And once you do that, I'm going to add this down here. Now, once you have created, obviously I didn't work a lot in this. This doesn't look the most attractive pin photo, but you get the idea. You're going to create a good media image in your Canva. Now, once you do that, click on download. And once we've clicked on download, it's going to bring you here. So we're just going to wait for it to load up. You have your things like remove.bg, ChatGPT, game and luxury, etc. So you can access these for yourself pretty simply. I'm going to go ahead to ChatGPT and I'm going to be like, wait, you're going to come to this. You're going to copy all of this. You're going to come here and you're gonna basically write me a Pinterest ad with a title for, and then you're gonna write the description that we just copied, and we're just gonna wait for it to do that, and it's gonna give us the title and description. I'm gonna go ahead and copy the title first of all. So copy the title and come over to Pinterest, add it in the title over here, wait for it to load up, and I'm gonna add dominate. Then you have your description, add whatever you want in your description, add your photo. Now you're probably wondering, where is the affiliation link coming in this? This is where you're gonna add your affiliation link. So let's say, for example, this is my affiliation link, okay? We're gonna add it in the destination link over here. And once you do that, you're gonna click on publish. And basically from there on out, that is basically how you're gonna promote affiliate links on Amazon with the correct images, correct titling, correct descriptions, and correct keywording. And obviously, these are not the only places you can do this stuff. You can also go ahead, affiliate links on Fiverr and all to other people. So I hope this tutorial was extremely helpful to you. And if you need any more videos like this, please do tell me. I am always available and I will give you the easiest step-to-step guides for any type of videos that you demand. And if you have any queries regarding this video, you can let me know down in the comments. And yeah, I guess I'll see you next time. Before signing off, please like and subscribe to the channel and leave down a nice comment if you watch the video. And please don't forget to share this video with any of your friends in need or your family. And I hope you all have a great day. So until next time, I'll see you later and goodbye.